Are you having Jello cake?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You getting it? The whipped cream is sticking to the plate.
It's getting serious now.
You gonna eat cake? Yeah? You are giving it a good try with your fork. It's easier when the cake stayed on there, huh? Oh, there you go. Big bite. Oh, yummy. Good job. Is that good cake? You like the whipped cream? You're so smart. Good job figuring that one out.
Yummy.
Mm-mm.
Bye-bye, cake. Say bye-bye to it.
Is it going to your belly? Ooh, look at that one. That's a big one, huh? It's a two-biter, huh?
I don't know about this.
Yum, yum, yum.